guys, it's 2 p.m. Pataglalakad kami sa ilalim ng araw. Kasi walang parking lot dito sa aming gusto puntahan. So dito kami pupunta sa bus. There. Yeah. Pero wala silang parking space. Sa lakad. Here you go guys, ang aming nilakad. Nilakad. Let's see. Matumba.
Gusto mo, Matt?
Ano sa ilalim? Sabi. Kuha. Ay, sorry. Nakuha ito. Ano ito? Ay, sarap baby. Ano?
Bangga. 4 piece.
Teka lang. Sarap siya.
Ito mo kinarin yun?
Dahil binila mo ng JCB, mukhang malungkot ka. Pero ka.
Hi guys, you guys should be proud of us. Wow. Pinuin nyo guys, nakapamalengke kami sa public market ng kasama si Matmat. And it's like 3 o'clock, so grabing init. And we succeed guys. Nabili namin lahat na kailangan namin. So, we are really very proud of ourselves. That is an achievement. Right? Right. Si Daddy ay kukuha na muna nung aming biniling haro-haro. Pabilis lang. Nagkuha kami ng leche plan and ng ube plan for dessert. Share ko lang guys, sobrang proud ko sa amin. Kasi usually pag namimili kami ni Dino sa mall, 'di ba? Sa mga supermarket, shopping malls, groceries, yung may cart. And usually ginagawa namin, nilalagay namin si Matmat doon and then he can play with phone or he can play with the toy. At sa nandun lang siya. Nakakapabili kami maayos. Pero today guys, I'm so proud. Public market to guys. Sa dami namin pinamili. Para isang karton, tapos ilang bags. Kasi diba pag sa mga public market, plastic bag yung gamit nila. So naka-isang karton kami, tapos random na maraming bags. So dami naming dala. Tapos kasama namin si Matmat. This is the first time na nag-public market kami, nakasama siya. Na okay, natapos namin yung gusto namin bilhin. So I'm really, really proud of us. Kasi ano to guys, gabi yung complaint niya kanina. Was it hot in the public market? Was it hot?
Yes.
Yeah, he was really complaining. Ay, mami hot. Sobrang arte guys. Tapos, thirsty every now and then. Thirsty. So, naghanap si Dino ng kanyang drink. But, yeah. I'm happy kasi na-survive namin. And now we're heading home. At least may na-achieve for today. I find it boring talaga pag wala nagagawa sa isang araw. I feel like it's a day wasted pag walang nagagawa.
Drink.
So, bye guys. See you at home. Good morning guys. In a random day. Good morning guys. This is one of those random days. Pagising ko, nag-open ako ng TikTok, nakita ko ang Molina Waterfalls. Kaya, here we go. Waterfalls. Ano? Tara? Tara. So, pagkagising, nauna ako magising. So, pagkagising ko, nag-phone ako. Pag-open ko TikTok, Molina Falls. So, sabi ko kay Dino, pagkagising niya, pinakita ko lang yung phone ko. Kasi ano niya, ano yan? Sabi ko, Molina Falls. So, yun na. Walang breakfast. Toothbrush at sikaso lang. And then here we go on the road headed to Bolinao Falls. We have 1 hour and 15 minutes to drive. And yeah, we'll see. Magano lang ba? Lub. Kasi ang init din. So, relax. See you guys there. Or baka mag-stop kami for breakfast. We'll see.
Because I go to the waterfalls.
Why?
Only pool.
Only pool? We're going to waterfalls also, love.
No.
Why?
Let's go to the
Yung napakan niya. Chichirya.
Oh, the Chiria. Breakfast, guys. We're done with breakfast, guys. Ay, hindi mo na ano yung mat. Hindi mo na ano yung mat. So, dito na kami, guys, sa malapit sa Bolinao Falls. Nagbabayad lang kami ng environmental fees. Labi, no, don't touch. So, it's 40 per person and it's valid for Tar Beach, sa Lighthouse. Ano na yun siya, pwede na for 4 days. So, si Mat, alam ko libre si Mat eh. Matis. We're here, guys. Bolinao Fall 3A. Yan. We're here. You excited? Can you look, Mama? You excited? Yes! Yes! So, nagbabayad lang si Dino ng entrance. Okay, we're going down. So, guys, tayo mag-rent ng vest. Sige po. Wait lang, ayusin ko lang yung gamit.
Pabaraya ka muna doon.
We're switching with another camera, guys, kasi gamit natin isang camera for diving. So, yung binayaran dito is ano lang, you call it vest. Yung vest is 50 pesos each, including yung sa bata. Did you have fun? Are you okay?
No.
No, you're not okay? Bubu yung sunblock sa mukha ko.
Ayaw niya na ano?
Guys, yung Bolinao Falls 3. And we're moving to Bolinao Falls 1. Skip na namin yung 2. Kasi anong oras na? Anong oras na ba?
11 na.
Alas 11 na, guys. So we need to have lunch before 1 or 2 p.m. Para hindi malipasan ng group. So ano, tara! Tayo now, guys, sa Bolinao Falls 1.
Malayo pa pero ang layo pa na.
Yeah.
Kuya,
Tara! Ready? Go! Careful, love.
Mana naman kikip sa raw. Balsa sir, baka gusto nyo para makapit ka doon ako sa gitna.
So guys, nandito kami sa Nepomart kasi ito yung malapit na mall dun sa waterfalls and may palaruan dito. So iniwan muna namin si Matt. And na mag-lunch kami, late lunch. So try namin to. Yung place na to, Quadro Pizza. So we're gonna order spaghetti chicken and then chicken with burger steak. So we're just gonna try. After dito, kuha kami take out for Matt and then uwi na. Uwi na tayo to, babe. Uwi na tayo naman.